Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and are staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. I know it's been a long time and I have not been as regular as I was earlier, but trust me, I will be. I'm taking baby steps. So today's video is gonna be all about my nighttime skincare routine. So I personally believe that a nighttime skincare routine is very important because according to me, your skin kind of rejuvenates when you're sleeping. So it's very important to kind of take all the gunk out of your face, which you must have accumulated throughout the day, and kind of hydrate it, moisturize it, and kind of give it good supplies to rejuvenate with, if that kind of makes any sense. So yeah, today I'm gonna share my nighttime skincare routine, and this is not gender biased. Anyone can do it of any gender. So yeah, if that is something that interests you, then keep on watching. So I'm taking a cotton pad, and first step is gonna be removing my makeup because I am generally wearing makeup almost every day. I wouldn't say almost every day I am wearing makeup, so it's very important to remove the makeup at the very beginning. So I'm just taking a cotton pad and just going in with it. Okay, now that all the makeup is off my face, I'm gonna quickly go and wash my face with a face wash. And the face wash that I'm currently using is this face wash by Clean and Clear. It's their Morning Energy Lemon Fresh face wash with cooling menthol, and it does have a cooling effect. So I would recommend using this in the morning because it kind of really makes you feel very fresh. But I don't use separate face washes for my night and morning thingy. I use only one, and this is the one that I'm using. So I'm gonna quickly go and wash my face with this face wash, take all the makeup remover and everything that is on my face right now, and be right back. Okay, so I'm done washing my face. Now we'll move on to another step, that is toner. So this is the Himalaya toner, the one that is my holy grail. I have just transferred it into this spray bottle, and I'm just gonna spritz it on all over my face to kind of have like even coat on my face, and just go in with my fingers and pat it in my skin. Okay, now that the toner is nice and absorbed in my face, I'm gonna use a serum. So this serum is by DermDoc, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so I do not use too much of serum. I just use 2-3 drops because I do not like my face to be super greasy when I'm sleeping. I don't know, it just makes me feel that majority of the gunk is gonna stick to my face because my face is greasy. That's just how my brain works, but that's absolutely not the case. You can go to bed looking like a glazed donut. I just don't like to be super greasy, so I'm just using 2-3 drops, and that's all, not more than that. Second last step is gonna be a night cream. So this is the night cream that I use. This is again from DermDoc, and this is the consistency. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my face. As I mentioned earlier, I do not like to sleep with greasy face, so I'm not taking a lot, but enough to cover my entire face. And with this moisturizer, I like to kind of massage my face because I feel it kind of increases the blood flow. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna kind of massage it in the upward direction. Last, definitely not the least step, is gonna be using a lip balm. So the lip balm that I use is from Wadi Herbals, and this is how it looks like. This is an orange flavored lip balm. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I don't know why, but I do not like to just apply the lip balm on my lips. I kind of apply it around my lips also. I don't know, that's how just my brain works. So I'm gonna like apply it all around my lips. That's what I'm trying to say. And voila, I'm all ready to go to bed. Alright you all, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. Click on the bell notification to get notified every time I am online. And I'm gonna see you next time pretty soon. Yeah, bye!